Wow. She pigmented. That's pigmented.
Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing the Tribe Beauty Box. Why I'm so excited about this? This is curated by the one and only Angelica Nyqvist. And I think this is the second box that Tribe ever had an influencer curate the box. So that is really exciting. This is a bi-monthly subscription. So this is technically the December/January box. This is $34.99 a month. And I really enjoy this. I do get this sent free for review I was going to say every month, but it's bi-monthly, but I just got it the other day, literally. So I didn't get it till January. That's why I'm unboxing it now. I'm doing things a little bit differently. Usually when you click on my video, I have a full face of makeup, but I want to try something different. I'm going to unbox this subscription, and then the second half, I'm going to try every single thing that's in here. So if you are interested in seeing what is in the box, then just keep on watching. All right, so this is what it looks like when you open her up. I do know everything that's in here because I took a peek to see what I was going to try on. I was going to already put foundation and everything already on, but I noticed the first thing we got are eye masks. So I want to try them on, and of course you can't have foundation and stuff on with that. All right, so this is what it looks like. There is the beautiful Angelica right there. All right, so what is this? This is, it's called the Cysteines Retinol and Collagen Cherub Mask. These are $15.50, so I guess $7, $7.25 a piece. And it says key herbal agents, retinol and collagen, along with a natural blend of ingredients. Hydration is achieved, and puffy eyes are eradicated. I don't know this word right here. Or I'll leave it on the screen. All right, so we have two of them, and I'll be trying on a pack afterwards. All right, what I was excited about too is we got brushes. Now, I did take these out of the bag and I washed them yesterday so that I can use them. So let me show you here. They're just gorgeous. Aren't they gorgeous? Love them. So these are the I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. I'll leave it right here. Cosmetics. I have never tried this indie brand before. This is 5-piece stained glass brush set for $24.50. So, I mean, it is just, they are gorgeous. So we'll try that. The next thing is Makeup Geek. I love Makeup Geek. My favorite bronzer of all time is Makeup Geek in the shade Tawny. But this is a highlighter. This is a duochrome highlighter. And I think there were two shades. I got the darker shade. This is a Blaze, okay? And let's see, these are $14.99. So let me open that up and show you what it looks like. It's a little dark. I'm going to try to go in with a light hand and try it. I have tried Makeup Geek highlighters before, and they're really pretty. So it comes with a mirror, and that's what it looks like. Really, really pretty. I'll do a little swatch. So it is a little dark. I'll probably give this to my daughter if it's too dark, or you can always go in and use it as an eyeshadow too. All right, so we have that. The next thing, which I love, is from Gerard Cosmetics. I am so happy to see this brand in a subscription box. I do have a code with Gerard Cosmetics, and you can get 30% off of everything on the site. So I'll leave that down below if you want to check them out. I love their lip liners and I love their setting spray. Love it. So we have this. I do like their lipsticks as well. This is in the shade Mudslide right here. And I also have the lip liner in Mudslide. So when I do a try-on, I will get that out as well so you can see. Oh, let me tell you the price. These range from between $19 and $20. So this is the Hydro Matte. So let me show you. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. Okay, so we have that. Then we have this puppy right here. What is this? This is from Gerard Cosmetics. This is called a Vixen Potion, and it's $17.99. It says this is intense pigment for an edgy chrome effect. Multi-chrome pigments are 35 times more expensive than regular eyeshadow formulas. They are truly amazing. So I guess that's why they're saying this is $17.99. So I did not open this up yesterday, so we will be seeing this for the first time together. Holy crap, that's small for $17.99. That is really, really small. All right, let's see. Oh, that's pretty. I got them. It's like glitter pieces. It's really, I don't know if I'll do a try on with this. Let's see. Yeah. I don't know if this is dried out or if it's supposed to be like that, because it's just like glitter pieces. So if you guys can see, once I pressed it, there's like nothing there. So I don't know if this is dried out or not, because as I'm pushing, I think it is, as I'm pushing it down, there's nothing in here. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is dried out because it doesn't look like what it's supposed to look like. So I can't use that anyway. I will definitely contact the owner, but since I do get this in PR, I mean, I'm not sweating it too much, but I do wish I could have tried this out for you guys. But last but not least is a palette, and this is from Glam. And I received this before. I tried to look for it yesterday, so I didn't have to use this one. I could have used my other one, but I don't know where it's at. And what I like about this, you see right here, I know part of the proceeds goes to breast cancer. So it comes with a mirror, and these colors are absolutely gorgeous right there. So I'm definitely excited for that. And I like how everything matched. So the lipsticks matched with that. And this would have looked very, very pretty if it wasn't dried out. So it would have went with it. So that's a shame. All right, so let's recap what we got in here for $34.99. So we have an eyeshadow palette. Did I say the price of it? $28. Okay, then we have a highlighter right here. We have a lipstick. If you hear that noise, I have some things getting done to the house. Then we have a 5-piece brush set, which I think is great. This, like I said, it's sad that it's dried out, but I'm sure it would have been pretty. And is that everything? Oh, and the two masks, the eye masks. So I will leave the retail value right here. Let me know what you think of this box. Do you like it? Do you not? I really do like it. I think Tribe has really stepped it up from when they first started. It's still a newer company. I think it's like 2 years old. And I just love the owner. So, all right, guys. So that's what's in the December/January box. And if you want to see me try everything on, then just stay tuned. All right, I'm back. I had these on for about 23 minutes, and you really have to like lay your head back to really keep these on because they will fall right off. So let's take these off. Oh, that feels good. I think it's so cute because it looks like a lizard right here, the heads and stuff. All right, so let me feel it. So I definitely feel like a little difference, you know, not too much. But again, I don't suffer from puffiness that much, but I do feel like it really, it's not as dry. So I do like that. And I'm glad that we got two to try it out again to see how I like it. All right, so that's my review with that. Now, let's go on with the eyeshadow palette. I typically do my eyes first before I do my face. So let's do that. I'm going to put on my, I was going to say Natasha Denona, my Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is the aging one. And this puppy is almost gone, so I kind of have to like squeeze it up. So let me do that. And then I'm going to set my eye with the Too Faced Gingerbread palette with this powdered sugar right here. So I'm going to do that, and then I will be right back to speed up time. All right, I'm back. Got my eyes primed, set. This is the eyeshadow palette right here. And I'm going to go in with this first shade, Heavenly, kind of like as a transition shade, and see how that is. All right, so far so good. I actually like it. I have no complaints. All right, I'm gonna go in with this shade here, Superwoman. It's not a lot of fallout, which is good. I like that. And I'm just gonna build it up a little. All right, I like it. I go a little sloppy because when I'm done, I will take a makeup wipe and clean it up. But so far, I really like it. All right, I'm going to go, let's see. I'm going to go in a little bit deeper with this shade here, this Fearless shade. Go right in here. Wow. She pigmented. That's pigmented. All right, I'm going to go in with this shade here. It is Angelic shade, and I use my finger. I'm a fingerer, and I'm going to put that right on my lid. Oh my God, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous. Wow. I wasn't expecting that. All right, and because I want to try more shades, on top of that, I'm going to go in with a more, just to see. I'm going to use a clean finger, just to see, just very lightly. That's pretty. Okay, then I'm going to take this brush here, and I'm going to go in to this dark brown shade and kind of deepen my outer corner. Let's see how that is. This might be a little bit too soft of a brush, so let's see how it works. All right, so that's what it looks like. Like I said, I usually go sloppy, and then I will clean it up with a makeup wipe, and then this is what I do. I take my fingernail like that, and I clean up any kind of fallout. I just sweep it up like that. All right, and so that's what it looks like. All right, so now I'm going to be back. I'm going to put my foundation on, my bronzer, my blush, and come back and do the under eye and also do that highlighter that we got, and then we'll do the lips. So I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I have my foundation, concealer, I have my bronzer on, which I use the Makeup Geek in the shade Tawny, right here. This is my favorite bronzer. I love this so much. All right, and I did use the brush here for that. This is a little bit too soft for bronzer, and I might use it for a blush. I don't know. I have to use it a few more times to see how I feel about it. All right, so let's finish the under eyes with this palette. All right, I'm going to use, if I can pick it up, this brush right here. And let's see. I think I'm going to go in this shade Butterfly right here and then just go right underneath and see. Okay, so that's what it looks like. This was with 2 coats. And then I'm going to go in with Treasure. I'll use this definer brush and see what I think of this. Let's see. I only go halfway in with the darker colors because I have slighted hooded eyes, and if you go in too much, it'll make your eyes look smaller. So if you go halfway in with the darker colors, if you guys can see, it will make your eyes look a little bit bigger. Okay, so that's done. That's what the eye looks like when I'm finished. I just went in with a little bit of mascara underneath. So now the last thing I want to try is the highlighter, and this is from Ablaze. Oh, I got to do lips as well. All right, so this is a little dark and it scares me, so I'm going to go in extremely light. I'm going to go in with that brush that I didn't like when I tried on my outer corner. I did use my little switch, my color switch right here to get all the color off. So we're going to go very lightly and just say. I do like Makeup Geek's highlighter though, but we're only going to put a little bit on. And then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender that's still dampened and kind of press it in so you don't look like you have that streak, you know? Then I'm going to go in with my favorite setting spray, the Slay All Day. Like I said, use my code, you can get 30% off. Then I'll go in with my beauty blender again and just push everything in. That way I don't have any of the little dots and stuff, which you don't normally get with this, but I still push it in that way to blend everything out and nothing looks cakey. All right, so now we're going to go in with lips. Now, we got the Gerard Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Mudslide, but I do have the Gerard Cosmetics lip liner in Mudslide. So I'm going to put that on first. All right, so we have that on. So let's go in with the lipstick. This lipstick is actually a little bit darker than a lip liner. So usually I like the lip liners to be a little bit darker. But I do put lip liner on just in case you go to eat something or drink something. And then if it does come off, I still have that lip liner on. All right, and then it wouldn't be me if I didn't put on a lip gloss. I always put a lip gloss on. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. Every day I put a lip gloss on, so. I do like the way that matte does feel. It doesn't feel drying or anything, but I just like the look of a glossy lip. Okay, so this is what my face looks like using all the products. So real quick, I'll do a very quick review what I think of everything. All right, so that's the bronzer. The highlighter. I like the formula. I have other highlighters of Makeup Geek. This shade here is definitely too dark for me. So I'll either give this to my daughter or use it as an eyeshadow, you know, like a shimmer shade. But I do like it because I like the formula. All right, these brushes here. This is a little too soft for my liking. I like it a little bit more dense, but I will get some kind of, I'll figure something out. Maybe I can use it for powder. This I did not like at all for a blending brush. It was just too soft for my liking. This I didn't use, but it's like a shader brush, but I use my fingers most of the time, but what I will use this for is concealer for my eyebrows, or I can find use for that. And these two little detail brushes for under my eyes, I really did like. So overall, I did like the brushes. This here I couldn't try out because it dried out, so that's a shame. You know. This here I did like. Is it a miracle worker? No, but I only used one time. So I think if you have a few of them and test them out, you can see. But so far, I mean, I did like it, what I did use of it. And the star of the show, in my opinion, is this Miracle Palette by Glam Light. Now, I've tried other palettes from Glam Light, and this formula seems a little bit different. Now, this is a good formula. You do have to build it up. I do wish this brown shade was a little bit more darker. It came in dark, but as you blended it out, it was getting lighter. So as long as you have the patience to build it up, I mean, you can get a really pretty look out of it. So I will use this again. And I really like the try box this month for December/January. I feel like there's a piece of hair right here. So Angelica, I think you did a great job curating this box, and I really liked it. So now it's your time to let me know in the comments down below, what did you think of this box? Let me know all the tea. Do you get it? Do you not? What did you think of it? Do you like that influencers curate the box? Let me know. If you like this type of video, then thumbs it up. That way I know you like unboxings, try-ons. If you want me to keep doing the try-ons, then give me a thumbs up. If you don't like these type of videos, or you don't like me doing the try-ons, then give me a thumbs down. That way I know whether I should continue doing it this way or not. That's everything, guys. Make sure that you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified for all of my future videos and my giveaways I have up my sleeve. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much. and I will see you in my next video. Bye.